Hi everyone, I'm Lillian from Wisconsin. Today, I'll introduce our new product, the new generation Modular Cleanroom. The Wisconsin Modular Cleanroom consists of two parts, the enclosure cleanroom and utility systems. Utility systems including integrated structural frames, HVAC ducting, gas and water pipelines, and other essential utilities required by the project. The enclosure cleanroom features integrated frameworks, panels, cleanroom doors, windows, profiles, and internal equipment. First, we enter the changing room, equipped with a hand-washing sink, hand dryers, hollow air return panels, and more. Pre-installed drainage pipes beneath the modular flooring help shorten project timelines, cut costs, and make future utility adjustments and maintenance easier. Next, we proceed from the shoe-changing bench into the clean room. Key features include material transfer pass box, stainless steel control panels for purified water, nitrogen, and specialty gases, biosafety cabinets, hollow air return panels. The entire modular clean room is equipped with a comprehensive ventilation and lighting system. Wisconsin's new generation modular clean room empowers manufacturing partners to accelerate project delivery. Customizable modules, professionally tailored dimensions, and flexible assembly for diverse spaces and transport needs. Dual cost quality control, minimized material waste, and reduced labor risks. Flexible adaptability, rapid reconfiguration, removable walls, equipment, expandable, relocatable design with greater than 90% reusability. Smart integrated systems, incorporates EMS, BMS, SCADA, and more. Rapid delivery, factory prefabrication plus standardized design, shortens lead times by 30 to 50%.